Welcome to Embedded World in Nuremberg. I'm Jürgen. I'm here at the stand of SECO and I'm together with Vincenzo, who will explain to us and introduce to us the SECO exhibition highlights at Embedded World.
Hello and welcome to the SECO booth at the Embedded World 2019. So at this exhibition we're going to present a lot of news with the latest architecture of our main silicon vendor on different flavors, either standard commerce press rather than single board computer form factor and computer module solution. And of course, also custom solution for our customers. Starting from the Intel, I would say we are going to present the latest 8th generation Intel i-Core over our Commerce Press compact in the ULT, ultra low voltage solution, and this is our main core product, that we launch here, and we're part of the early access program from Intel, and we are glad to introduce this at the early stage. Moving to AMD, we have the chance to present two nice products, single board computer under the name of UDO, that is called UDO Bolts, based on the latest AMD V1000. And with the same processor, even a Commerce Press Type 6 in the compact form factor. Last but not least, we have NXP, and in this show we're going to present the complete set of i.MX 8 family, either HEM and the next Nano and Mini product that are going to come in a computer module and single board computer form factor. So that's pretty nice solution. Along with this, I would like to mention that we have one solution that is based on Xilinx FPGA. So we're glad to present this smart computer module, which is very new and innovative, and we hope that this will generate a lot of business for us.
Thank you. But you not only have boards and modules here and show you. It's obviously, if you look around here, we are somehow standing in something like a demo corner where you show applications.
Exactly. This year, for the first time, we are going to have a complete corner dedicated to live demos, all based on our product, but even more based on our software. So, in fact, behind is the idea to offer a complete solution that goes from the hardware up to the software in the cloud, completely managed as a solution by SECO. This software manage allows to control completely the device in the field remotely, and it's purely dedicated to our products.
So that means you are not only a hardware company, you also show your software competence over here?
I would say even more. So we are a solution provider.
Okay.
So the aim of SECO today and in the next future is to create solution hand-to-hand that goes from the device up to the software in the cloud, and provide services around. So that's also thanks to some partnership that we are establishing from the connectivity provider and so on and so forth.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to you. Thank you.